The company is market leader in the pizza segment. The company belonged to Group A having market cap of Rs 17,472 crores. The company has given returns more than 90% in 5 years. The company has a good dividend track records. Let's find out more about the company.
Welcome to SM Invest. Be smart in life.
So in this video first we will discuss return on investment, dividend history, business of the company, shareholding of the company, financial performance of the company. So here we go. Returns on investment. Suppose if you had invested in the company Rs 1 lakh 6 months ago, value of your investment would be Rs 102,000 with a gain of plus 2%. And if invested 1 year ago, value of your investment would be Rs 149,000 with a gain of plus 49%. And if invested 3 years ago, value of your investment would be Rs 178,000 with a gain of plus 78%. And if invested 5 years ago, value of your investment would be Rs 190,000 with a gain of plus 9%. Dividend history. In the year 2016, dividend paid at the rate of 25%. In the year 2017, dividend paid at the rate of 25%. In the year 2018, dividend paid at the rate of 50%. Jubilant Foodworks Limited. Jubilant Foodworks Limited is a Jubilant Bhartiya Group company. The company was incorporated in 1995 and initiated operations in 1996. The company and its subsidiary operates Domino's Pizza brand with the exclusive rights for India, Nepal, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. The company is market leader in the pizza segment with a network of 1,167 Domino's Pizza restaurants across 269 cities in India. The company has 32 Dunkin' Donuts restaurants across 10 cities in India. The shareholding in the company. Its promoter holds 45% shares in the company. Non-financial institutions holds 9% shares in the company. Mutual fund, UTI holds 7% shares in the company. And remaining by others. The shareholders play important role both direct and indirect in a company's operations of business. Financial performance. Sales turnover for 2016. 2,410 crores. For 2017. 2,546 crores. For 2018. 2,980 crores. And profit made for 2016. 283 crores. For 2017. 261 crores. For 2018. 469 crores.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. And for updates visit our YouTube channel. Link in the description.